In today's video, we'll give you a close-up look at modern wood cutting and sawing machines. We'll follow the brave lumberjacks who face danger every day to cut down giant trees with power and finesse. Watch the video below to experience the thrilling and satisfying moments of this challenging job. The chainsaw roared through the forest as the lumberjack cut through the massive tree trunk, nearly a meter in diameter. Notably, he was safety conscious, fully equipped with a hard hat and mask, as he prepared to cut down a large cedar in the forest. Impressively, he completed the job safely in just a few minutes, demonstrating his proficiency and agility at his job. Chainsaws are powerful enough to cut through any material in a flash. But, if not used properly, they can be a huge hazard. It's amazing how a carpenter managed to cut down a 40-meter tall tree, all thanks to careful planning and the use of protective gear. He skillfully climbed the tree, cutting one section at a time, hoping to complete the job safely and quickly. Sawing down large trees near the road was no problem for him, thanks to his skills and rich experience. He always skillfully controlled the saw blade with high precision, ensuring that the work did not cause any impact on the surrounding area. The sound of the chainsaw resounded loudly, like the roar of a powerful wild animal, spreading throughout the space. Watching a giant tree being felled by a sharp saw blade is like a scene from an action movie. The Stihl MS-661 chainsaw has been a reliable companion since the early days of woodworking. With its help, felling a large tree in the forest becomes as easy as turning your hand. Between the saws we've introduced and the experiences of woodworkers, which one impresses you the most? Share your opinion by commenting below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any more fun videos. Next, we cannot fail to mention the great role of giant wood crushers from the US in turning raw logs into high-quality products. Let's explore the wood processing process with these high-tech equipment. You will find there is no shortage of interesting things. The Moorbach 3400 XT, compact yet extremely powerful, is creating a real revolution in the woodworking industry. Designed with incredible power, it can crush more than 150 cubic meters of wood per hour, turning large tree trunks into useful biomass fuel and high-quality sawdust. This not only increases work efficiency but also helps create a green and sustainable source of raw materials for the environment. With a reputation for innovation and reliability, the Vermeer HG6800 Texas is more than just a wood chipper. It is a powerful machine that delivers incredible performance, completely redefining the way we tackle demanding tasks such as land reclamation and recycling. Thanks to its durability and high efficiency, the Vermeer HG 6800 Texas has become an indispensable companion, making work easier. The compact T770 loader combined with the powerful Larun stump grinder make a great duo for land management. This combination provides optimal efficiency in tree removal, helping to restore land and contribute to environmental protection. The PTH 1000 wood crusher is a powerful machine, designed with a sturdy frame and advanced technology, which optimizes wood crushing performance. With the ability to process more than 100 cubic meters of wood per hour, the PTH 1000 is the ideal choice for large-scale wood processing projects, ensuring maximum speed and crushing quality. Thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with my latest woodworking videos, from CNC machines, wood carvings to wood lathes. It is the dedication and commitment to each stage of the process that creates unique and quality wood products. Stay tuned for more videos to explore and enjoy the rich beauty of wood.